Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show how to crack any encrypted file. Whatever it is, you can crack it easily. After watching this video, you can crack any type of file password. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more new hacking videos. So let's start it. So we see this our zip file which is encrypted with a password. So we are going to crack this password. So we use John Ripper for cracking this password. So the first step is to take the file password hash and save it in a file. So how we do that? So let's open our terminal. Let me zoom in. This is our file which is encrypted. So now we take the password hash. Our file type is zip, so we write zip to John, and then after that we add our file name. If we press enter, we see this the password hash, so we should save it in a file. So we do it again and save in a hash.txt file. If we ls, we see our hash.txt file is created. Second step is to crack this file. We use John, and how is the syntax? What's the syntax? We write John, and after that we specify the format equal to zip, and then we add our word list. I use raw keyword list for this. After that we add our hash file and press enter. The process depends on your password complexity. So we see it, the password is welcome. If we open our file and we write welcome, you see it open. So now if your file is not zip file, what you do on that time? So if your file type is different, so how you crack that? In that case, we go to user cd user share John. In here we see all type of password that we can crack. So for example, our type file is zip 7-zip. We write 7-zip to John, or office to John, SSH to John. Any type of file you can use from these. So how is the syntax? Instead of writing zip to John, we write the path user share John, and after we add our file which is add our file. This is the syntax. I hope you learned something. So I'll make another video that how to brute force file using John. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more new hacking videos. See you in the next video.